Good morning everyone, it's the 18th of March, just after 7 a.m. I've just sent the email out, so this is the video to go with it. So, usual layout, we've got the 10-minute chart, the 30-minute chart, 2-hour chart and the daily chart. So it's a bit of a mixed bag really today, if I just make the 30-minute chart bigger. The FTSE and the DAX are looking quite bearish, but the S&P, especially after that yesterday's bounce from 2019 up to 2040, is actually looking quite bullish still. So this afternoon, if that S&P bullishness carries on again, we'll probably get dragged up with the FTSE. But for today, just looking at 30-minute here, we have got this, if I make this a bit smaller, we have got a decent sort of channel here really. You can see the two edges of it. We've got the top of it there and the bottom of it here. So I'm thinking if we do drop this morning, the bottom of that channel at around the 6150 area, 6145 if it hits a bit earlier, is likely to hold. I was thinking a fairly sort of bearish morning really. There's a couple of resistances at 6196. We've got this declining PRT line here, and really we're just hovering around this 6200 area once again. The bulls can't really break through and make it stick, and the bears pull away from it, but then the bulls bring it back again. So it's kind of a bit in no man's land really, but you know, we'll have to see how it goes really. But for today, I'm just feeling that we'll probably get a little dip, certainly down to that 200 EMA, which is that orange line there. So 6172. The pivot is 6184, so there's a bit of support there as well. So it's really up to the bulls really, if they can break 6,200 and make it stick. If not, then I think, like I say, we'll get a decline down to the bottom of this channel, and then probably another V-shape sort of day similar to yesterday. Resistance wise, we've got yesterday's high at 6227, and then 6250 above that, where we have the 10-day Bianca channel, and that's probably a level that's worth shorting from, 6250 that is, if we get that high later on today. So just looking at some of the other time frames, 2-hour chart, if we make that bigger, still bullish really. Rising trend line here with the green line, moving averages are bullish, support around about 6188, something 6190, something like that. So we shall see. So that's bullish. Let's have a look at the daily channels. Both RAFs are both heading back up again now. And the bulls seem to be trying to break this 200 EMA here, which is that orange line. So, like I said, maybe we'll get 6250 today, 50-50 on that one. But maybe next week we might well get a push up towards the 350 area, which was that thought that I had the other day. Would probably coincide with the top of the 10-day RAF as well around that area. Maybe sort of 23rd of March, 24th of March, something like that. So that's the daily. Let's go back to the 30-minute there. So really, that's what I'm looking at. That channel there. If we go up to the top of it, which is 6275, I don't think we'll get that high, but certainly 6250 I think is probably worth a short, and certainly 6150, 6145. If we drop back, is worth a long. So that's the plan really, that's what I'm thinking. It's still buy the dips really. As you can see, the longer time frames are bullish, so that's my thinking. Good luck everyone, and hope you have a good day. Any questions, please drop me an email.